Oh, I know you're gonna be loving this treat because you don't need a campfire and you are absolutely going to be asking for s'more. You can see all the layers: graham cracker crust, fudgy chocolate brownie, and toasted marshmallow. So let's get going. Crush graham crackers until they're fine crumbs, and then drizzle in melted butter until the crumbs begin to stick together. And then when they're pressed against the side of the bowl, they're ready to go. Transfer the buttery graham crumbs into the cupcake liners, and then press them down into an even layer with whatever you have on hand to do the job. Go figure that I have a mini wine glass with just the right size foot. Now, in a large mixing bowl, whip the eggs until they're light in color and frothy, and then add in the granulated sugar and the light brown sugar. Whip that again until it's thick and smooth. The color will become lighter as well. Then pour in the pure vanilla extract. Gradually add the melted butter until it's all fully combined. Next up, the flour, cocoa powder, and a touch of salt. They all get slowly mixed in. Scrape down the sides, and then whip that all together until it's silky smooth. Then you'll fold in the chocolate chips for added gooey chocolate deliciousness. Scoop that beautiful batter on top of the graham cracker crust and pop those babies into the oven to bake up into these beautiful, rich chocolate delights. Once they cool, top with marshmallow fluff and make them toasty by popping them under the oven broiler for just a few seconds. Or you can use a kitchen torch. They're pretty fun, and they're great for making creme brulee too. Grab a fork or a handful of napkins and dig in to this. These are so rich and so ooey gooey. See how the marshmallow is already just, ooh, look at that. It's like amazing. Even if your fingers do get sticky, it's well worth it. And it'll probably get it all over your face too. But you'll be asking for s'more. You can find the recipe for S'mores Cupcakes at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.